So, good afternoon from sunny Maryland here. This morning I cut some stickers off camera out of red oak. I've been meaning to do that for a while. Finally got the time. I have a Friday off here finally. But right now I'm going to actually try to cut this cherry log I picked up for free. You probably have already seen the video, but if not, I'll post a link to me getting this log. But it's, interesting. There's a crotch section down here. It's fairly wide. And it's pretty normal looking on the side I'm sitting. So should be pretty fun to cut, but I'll show you the sticker haul, how many stickers I got. Take you a walk around there, show you the log. And after that we'll get the saw in here. So see, pile of stickers there, pile of stickers there. I got the burn barrel going. I'm burning the all the wane and the bark off the sticker pieces that I already cut up. I got a decent pile back here, so probably cut up that cherry. I'm not sure, it's gonna be kind of a miscellaneous day. I got all that back there to eventually cut, but I think I'm gonna start with the cherry and see how far I get. I have a couple hours here. I got a cedar sitting under it I might cut, but I really don't know where to put that yet to stack it, so I think we're gonna stick with the cherry. This will be neat because it's the first time I ever cut cherry on this mill. So we'll add a new species to the record books here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description here for the full video of me picking up these cherry and cedar logs. But for now, here is a clip of this actual log from when I picked these up back in the spring. All right, let's see what we got. Wow. Beautiful. Very nice. I've been cutting all oaks as of late, so this is really nice to see something a little different. Nothing wrong with oak, but see, we're getting a little bit of that crotch figure, but it's kind of cool actually, the difference between the heartwood and the sapwood there. Yeah, pretty clear. A few tiny little knots, but awesome. This is very encouraging here. Alright, here we go. We're hitting some water. Wow. Beautiful. Really like this one. So first cherry slab ever off the mill. So making history here. Very, very nice looking. Alright, so we're starting to get back into the heartwood on the other side now. It's a pretty unique looking piece. So I'm going to get this out of the way. I cut that at 5/4. Get some thinner stock. is slab 12. We already saw 11. I'm calling this one 12. Nice. Clear. Some more speckles. Well, this is normal or not. I guess it is for cherry. Like I said, I never saw in cherry, so this is new for me, which is kind of neat. Like I said earlier, been sawing a lot of oak. Welcome change to saw something that looks different. This crotch section down here is very nice looking. See a bark inclusion there. This one's probably actually one of the smaller ones. Let's see. Get you a measurement just to. It's hard to tell dimensions off of the video, of course. I think at the widest here we're about 20. It's a decent size, but not huge, and then 20 and 13 and a half at the small end. A decent sized piece. Nice piece. There's a little bit of shake there. You see that in some other piece. I thought it was a pith, but it's just a little bit of shake, a little crack there. I think that's too structural. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Got 5 pieces out of this. Most of them were about 8/4. I got one thin one, which is about 5/4, I believe. But overall pieces looked real nice. No bug damage, nothing like that. The crotch section was neat looking with the bark inclusion. And yeah, we'll see. These would be really neat to be book matched up. You know, make a table or something like that. So, yeah, well, got it stickered up. I gotta go. Gonna move it with the front loader somewhere else to begin the drying process. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me here. Feel free to ask any questions you have in the comments, and like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.